If we look now at some of the accessory organs that are associated with the skin, we've got the hair, we've got the hair follicles, the sebaceous glands, the sweat glands, and the nails. These are all accessory structures of the integumentary system, and they're derived from embryonic epidermis. They're located in the dermis, and they project through the dermis, up through the epidermis to the skin surface. So the human body is covered with hair except on the palms of the hands, the soles of the feet, the lips, and portions of the external genitalia. The functions of hair are to protect and insulate. We know that if we're cold and we get goosebumps, the hairs on our skin raise up in order to capture a small amount of air and warm that air, so it will increase the warmth for us. It also guards openings and guards against particles and insects getting through. So the hairs in our nose, the hairs in our ears, all there for a purpose. And the hairs are very sensitive to very light touch. So our brain, which is of course the central nervous control of our entire body, is covered with a lot of hair. So the slightest brush of our hairs on our head alerts us that someone is close to our head. So hair follicles are located deep in the dermis, and they produce hair which is not living. It's wrapped in dense connective tissue sheath, and the base is surrounded by a sensory nerve root, which is why when you pull a hair out, there's pain. The other accessory structures of the hair are the arrectopili, which are involuntary smooth muscles which cause hair to stand up, just like I said, with goosebumps. And you have sebaceous glands, and they lubricate the hair and they help control bacteria. Then you've got the keratin, which is hair is produced, it is keratinized, and this is occurring, the medulla contains the soft keratin, and the cortex and the cuticle contains the stiff, hard keratin, forming the nails.